Pratik kitchen wisdom unfolds as a compact guide to turning everyday cooking into precise, effortless flow. Begin with Mise en place by pre-chopping, measuring, and arranging ingredients so sauces stay silky. Heat control is king. Test a pan with a few droplets of water and let acids brighten caramelized flavors. Keep knives sharp with light strokes on a ceramic rod and store them safely to preserve edges. Respect resting times for proteins and vegetables to let juices settle for tender, restaurant-quality results.